Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled AI in Everyday Life, Real-World Examples. Imagine if your computer could think and make decisions like humans do. That's what AI artificial intelligence is. It gives machines the ability to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making predictions. AI helps us solve complex problems quickly and efficiently. From improving healthcare diagnosis to optimizing supply chain logistics, it's transforming many industries. Think of it like giving your device a superpower. There are different types of AI, each with its own capabilities. Supervised learning involves training models with labeled data, unsupervised learning finds patterns without labels, and reinforcement learning learns through trial and error. AI is everywhere around us. From voice assistants like Siri to self-driving cars, it's helping make our lives easier. Let's explore some real-world examples together. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa are AI-powered tools that help you with tasks like setting reminders, ordering food, and answering questions. Online shopping platforms use AI to recommend products based on your browsing history. This makes the buying process more personalized and efficient. AI is used in financial services to detect fraudulent transactions. It analyzes patterns and anomalies to prevent losses for banks and individuals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.